So here is the upgrade procedure to install the SWIVEL 2X in Pianissimo. First of all, you have to free the suspension. So you free also the XLR. Then you unscrew this. Then you have to extract the XLR. Maybe you can use a tool like this to unscrew the cap. And then you're ready to free it completely. Just extract, something like that. Extract it. So now you have to make a choice. Here is the kit. So obviously you see that this metallic cap, which has been machined, very thin, very light, is not able to fit the new holder like that. It's too sleepy, it's not correct. So you have to change it. Then what you can do is to use a completely standard XLR body from the XX series from Nutric. The advice is that you make a little hole here, so when you will insert it in the holder, that will be completely fixed with the screw. The other option is that we can provide our regular, most recent body, which has a machine groove here. So this is absolutely perfect for fixation. So let's install this one, like that. And you are ready for the change. You notice this screw here. So this one has to be completely unscrewed. You have to extract it. So something like that. The second one is this one inside. You just loosen it for a few turns. That's it. Then you are ready to extract this. Something like that. Please notice these two important grooves. This one is made for the rear screw, main fixation, and this one is made for the cable. Then you have to check that the cable is able to slide like this. So you take a little cable, so you have plenty of length, extra length here for the moment. Then you are free to install the XLR in the holder, like that. Then you are ready to put the cable in its groove, like that. And you can insert the block, making sure that the rear groove here is on the rear. And you install it so the screw will go perfectly in. And then you can screw it. But not too tight at this point. So now we have to adjust this loop. This loop is necessary because we have double rotations. So what you do is to position the swivel base to the front. That's the worst case. And then you test the main rotation. And it doesn't have to be tightened here. Then you also see that it is, when you free both rotation, nothing has to be too tight. That's it. So then now you're ready to block this one, this little screw. So you can now install the suspension again. XLR. Pin. Little clip. You notice that this loop is now shorter than previously. This is normal because this one has to be longer due to the need of multiple rotations. So if you would really need an extra length on this one, for some reason, you are obliged to take it from this one. Then, in order to prevent the risk of cable damage, we propose to block the rotation of the swivel base. Simply replace the black knob by this, provided no head screw, this one, keeping the XLR on the left side, something like that. Now you screw it. We also provide a second screw for the XLR for your convenience.